This modern plant on the outskirts of Letterkenny certainly was not an instant success. Built in 1981, it was in receivership the following year, with IDA job predictions dead and buried. It was bought over again in 1983 and reopened, but it was resold 2 years later, and it was only at that stage that things began to settle down and develop. The ownership arrangement is interesting. 50% of the equity is with Flensted, who are experts in the chip business in Denmark. The other half is taken up by the Food Venture Fund, which includes Anglo-Irish Meats, Smurfit's, Brennan's Bread and the ACC. The company is attempting to succeed at what seems like a very obvious business opportunity.
As you're aware, there is a huge volume of frozen potato products imported into this country every year. Now, last year, it was of the order of 36,000 tonnes with a market value of 16 million to 17 million. Now, that's a huge amount of material. Now, here in Donegal, we have a potato processing facility. We think it's as good as anything in Europe, and quite simply, we want to get a large portion of that market.
And will you be using Irish potatoes exclusively for your product? And have you been doing so to date?
Well, to date, we've had some problems with the seasonality of the potato industry in this country, in that the storage capacity for potatoes was not adequate to give us supplies all year round. Now, there are some major developments with local growers in particular, and indeed some growers nationwide, to give an adequate supply of top quality potatoes on a year-round basis. So that this year now, we expect to use all Irish potatoes to make our product. 23 people work at the Letterkenny plant. The Minister for Horticulture, Seamus Kirk, is an active supporter of the Letterkenny development. We imported over £33 million worth of vegetables into Ireland last year. The Minister says we can substantially reduce this figure.